Follow up on a tip about the shooter last month, and now Governor Rick Scott is calling for the head of the FBI to resign. And IB's John Carlos Estrada spoke with a former agent about that deadly mistake. He's live at the Bureau's office in Gateway. John Carlos?
Amanda, on a daily basis, the FBI gets over 1,000 tips in the form of emails and phone calls, and only 24 employees are in charge of handling all that. And tonight, a former FBI agent tells me that the negligence of that life-saving tip was probably human error.
Somebody's on your radar, take care of it quickly before this happens.
The FBI dropped the ball there?
Yeah, I do.
Tonight, the FBI under the gun after they failed to fully investigate 2 tips that possibly could have stopped the murder of 17 people, mostly high school students.
The FBI have failed. Their mistake has cost the lives of 17 people.
On January 5th, a person close to the confessed shooter, Nikolas Cruz, reported the 19-year-old's erratic behavior and access to weapons. In September, a comment posted by Nikolas Cruz on YouTube said, "I'm going to be a professional school shooter," but the FBI says it couldn't find the actual source of that comment.
The FBI has determined that protocol was not followed. We truly regret any additional pain that this has caused.
The FBI now saying it will conduct a review on how they handle outside tips.
Thousands upon thousands of tips and leads on a regular basis. And you have human beings dealing with these tips and leads. And the likelihood is high that human error took place here.
Former FBI agent Bob Foley, now a Cape Coral attorney, says current agents are probably taking the mistake hard.
If something like this takes place on someone's watch, I can tell you that there are a lot of very sad FBI agents right now, knowing that there was a failure in its ability to do the very thing that they're sworn to do.
Attorney General Jeff Sessions is also calling for a review of all the Justice Department's processes as well. On the night, John Carlos Estrada, Wink News Now.